stars begin to flash before our eyes.
We might just go kablooey.
Get smushed and become chewy.
Except there's tons we wanna do before we die.
Millionaire!
Billiards champion.
Make it home to see my mama.
Nary Cody. Catch a barrel.
Be an actress in a drama.
From lawyer. Prom
Be a
destroyer.
ninja with throwing stars.
Lion tamer.
New food namer.
Repairman for the parallel bars.
But first we must cease dropping. Our goal here would be stopping.
Before we smash into the ground in the sky.
Let into little pieces.
Heads merged with our feces.
That would really suck, and here's why. We'd like to keep on living.
So, Chris, we hope you're giving.
Some wings. A jetpack.
A rift in time. Parachute.
Waterbed.
A trampoline.
Springy shoes.
Rocket boots.
Flying squirrel.
Bubble bath.
I changed the bubbles too.
A pizza, no. Chips and some dip will do.
So much to do before we die. Yeah, we said it. There's still so much to do. There's still so much to do.